to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you're already watching this video, you already clicked on this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn and post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop into this video, because I'm doing video on video on video on video. Okay, so today's video is sponsored by my grandma. My granny gave me some of her old clothes to make something out of, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be revamping her old clothes that she used to wear into something that I would wear today. So stay tuned. Before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. This is the set. I'm pretty sure I never seen my grandma wearing this before. You know, this is like just a regular two-piece set. It is a bold like pattern because it's like rattlesnakey, if y'all can see. Yeah, it's like rattlesnakey. So I'm gonna try my best. Like, I don't really wear two pieces or bold patterns, but I'm gonna try my best to recreate it into something that I would personally wear. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the pants, and they are too big, as you can see. So I'm just going to fold it in half. But with these pants, I'm going to fold it in half where the zipper is showing, so I can make sure I don't cut off the zipper part. And then I'm going to take some pants that I want the pants to be like, and I want these pants to be skinny, like skinny. So I'm going to put it like this. Bam. And these are stacks because I couldn't find my other skinny pants. But yeah, this is how it looks. I switched up the position of the pants so I can keep the zipper. And I'm going to cut on both sides instead of just cutting on one side. So this side and this side. I think hopefully this don't turn out bad, honestly. Oh, okay. Moment of truth. Looks skinnier. Let's see. Okay. It's looking like some pants. This is it. These are the pants. The pockets are gone, so it's okay. Most girls' pants got fake pockets anyway. But now I'm finna just pin along this side. Well, wait. Okay, so I just noticed that this is hemmed. Like, these pants are hemmed, and I really want the pants to be a little longer. So I'm gonna unhem these pants real quick. Now I'm just gonna turn these good side facing up. Then I'm going to turn this side good side facing down. Align these middle part with this middle part. And just start to pin this inside pieces. And then these down the side. These are the pants. They're so freaking skinny. So freaking skinny. I did not think it was gonna turn out this skinny, but it's okay. They're a little plain, so I feel like I'm finna add some more, but this is already a transformation. Okay, so for this next little piece of the pants, I put this pants aside. I want to make like the little panty thing trend thing. I feel like that'll make the pants look dumb fire. So I got a little bathing suit bottoms. I'm just going to use some extra fabric from the pants and trace out a little part. And then I'm going to cut out 2 long strips from this and then cut the 2 long strips in half. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fold this little strip I could have cut out in half. 2 strips. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing to this other little piece. Okay, so now that I have 4 strips, 2 long and like 2 slightly shorter. Let me show y'all how it's supposed to go. This is the back. These are like ties for the back. Then these are ties for the front that's gonna be attached to the front of the pants. Fold the panty part over and down like this. Then fold the strap up. Then I'm just gonna put it over it like this. Sew line right here where it's folded at, and sew line at the bottom of the fold. So like here are the pieces, these 2 strings. I want to attach the string somewhere. So it can be like this. Attach this part. Pretty sure y'all get it. Y'all get the gist of it. Okay, so now on to the shirt. I want to do like something like an extravagant shirt, but I feel like this pattern is so already a lot. I shouldn't do something so not basic. So I'm just gonna make like a little bra top, and I'm just gonna use this little bra top that I already got, one that I made. This one is super stretchy, so I'm gonna have to like alter that. So all I'm gonna do for real is cut out the shape. This is the front and the back. It's pretty cute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut out like a little band that go around my body. It doesn't look like a strap, but when I fold it and sew it, it will look. So here's the bra pieces, and then here's the long bam. Check out the shirt, Really Rich Bastards. Okay, well this little strap I just made, like cut out around my body to cut off all the excess I don't need. Okay, with this strap, all I want to do is turn it inside out and sew a line straight down, as straight as possible, making sure everything is the same width. For these little triangle pieces, all I'm going to do is clean up the sides and the edges so they won't fray. So hem it, so fold it once and then twice. I'm just gonna hem each triangle piece. Okay, so here is the band, and I just made it where Like I just stuck on some Velcro because it's so hard to like do the adjustable strap way. But now I'm just gonna attach the triangle pieces to the top. Okay, so I want it to be right here. So I'm just going to flip it over upside down and pin. Do the same for this side here. I'm going to sew a straight line here and then flip it up, and then it should be clean. I'm just going to line the back straps up once I take it off, sew it on there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see me do this again with some of her old clothes. And comment down below, like, was this a real transformation? Like, did it look better? Obviously it looked better, but did it look how you were expecting it to look? And like this video, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.